let me introduce you to the Naval Group India that truly swears by Make in India initiative and has been successfully implementing indigenization in the design and manufacturing of complex equipment for Scorpene submarine and other projects. Let's get a closer glimpse of the defense manufacturing giant that lends unceasing support to the Indian Navy in safeguarding the Indian coastline. Set up in September 2008, the Indian subsidiary of Naval Group commits to Indian Navy and industry its vast range of engineering design, transfer of technology, training, combat system integration and assistance for construction and tests. The subsidiary of the group at first was set up to support the building of 6 platforms of P-75 Kalvari class submarine made in India based on Scorpene design for the Indian Navy. These Kalvari class submarines are being built by Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, formerly known as Mazagon Dock, in Mumbai, India, using the technology and training provided by Naval Group.
Our local subsidiary has been created to support the indigenization of major equipment of the P-75 submarine building project. This project is indeed a precursor of Make in India in naval defense. Besides the successful transfer of technology to Mazagon, who is now manufacturing the submarine autonomously, hundreds of MSMEs have been audited and tens of them have been qualified for local manufacturing of key and complex submarine components on all 3 categories of float, move and fight. The industrial ecosystem that has been created has allowed to reach a remarkable 30% indigenous content. This is indeed remarkable given that submarines are one of the most complex machines built by man.
Among its measures to reinforce coastal security, Naval Group officially signed a contract with the Indian Navy for service support to Indian Navy on June 2021. The aim of the SSIN contract is to support Indian Navy's crew and dockyard personnel in ensuring best possible operational availability of Kalvari class submarines and empower Indian Naval Ship Repair Yard at Karwar to handle all maintenance requirements for such modern platform in the future.
In India, we like long-term commitments. Naval Group and our subsidiary in India are doing exactly that. Indigenous content being at the heart of our proposals, we seek to be deeply involved in the future projects of Indian Navy, notably heavyweight torpedoes, complex tools, simulators, large platforms like LPD or landing platform dock, aircraft carriers, and of course, future evolutions of Indian submarines with state-of-art technologies.
With its mantra of vitalizing power at sea, Naval Group has many milestones added to its list of accolades. For P-28 ASW corvettes, it delivered raft-mounted gearbox with high stealth features. 3 out of 4 sets of the gearboxes were built in India with Naval Group's industrial partner, Walchand Nagar Industries Limited. It is a major achievement, especially in the float category of indigenous content expected by Indian Navy, and was achieved much before the inception of Make in India and Aatmanirbhaar. Involvement of local industry for the maintenance services for P-75 platform is indeed the sound, sustainable way ahead to add muscle to Indian Navy's fleet and the company's long-term presence in the country.
Now, Naval Group is focusing at delivering maintenance services to the Navy in order to optimize the availability at sea of the submarines. We are doing that not only considering the availability of resources, manpower or infrastructures in the different naval bases of the Navy, but also by training our Indian engineers of Naval Group India, as well as qualifying partners from the local industry. We could already deliver some maintenance activities on some critical equipment for the Navy in a time-bound manner.
Naval Group not just has far-sightedness when it comes to defense security equipment, but also has developed a strong industrial ecosystem of 50+ Indian companies, mainly MSMEs, and their future projects are not limited to submarines. Any establishment's achievements are reflected in the way it is recognized in its sector. Not to our dismay, Naval Group's industrial partners recognize their expansion plans and hence have joined hands for building an innovative and technologically advanced coastal security. Indeed, Naval Group is strengthening the powers of the Indian Navy and pushing for an Aatmanirbhaar Bharat. It becomes crucial that the armed force of the country has the required support to defend the sovereign state. The Naval Group has over the years supported the Indian Navy in its path to modernization and success. Their story puts forth the scope of Make in India and its vast implications. These companies have shown the prowess of the nation and put forth the advancement in technologies aiding in the advancement in the defense sector. Stay tuned for more such stories from this special series, Aatmanirbhaar Bharat, Makers for Indian Defense. Thank you for watching.